Okay, hi, good day to our grade 8 Makati Science High School students. For today, we are going to continue our discussion on chords, secants, and tangents of circles. Okay, so this is still on our third, fourth, and fifth lesson on circles, and let's try to solve some problems for our lesson for today. So we're trying to solve for the values of x and y, our unknowns for this problem. And for the first one, let's try to jump right ahead. We have the measurement of angle R is 50 degrees. Now, we can use a green pen in order to highlight the important things that we have to highlight. Now, if this is 50 degrees, therefore the measurement of arc PQ here, that's gonna have to be 50. That's gonna have to be 50 times 2. And what's 50 times 2? So therefore the measurement of arc PQ, so that's just 100 degrees. There you go. Now, if this is 100 degrees, and we have here the measurement of arc 70, another clue. The measurement of angle RQC, which is 70 degrees. So we can solve for the measurement of arc RQ here. The measurement of arc RQ is just going to be 70 times 2. And therefore, the measurement of arc RQ is just 140 degrees. There you go. And now, since we have the two measurements, the measurements of our two arcs, PQ and RQ, we can solve for the measurement of arc PR. The measurement of arc PR is going to be 360 minus 140 plus 100, and therefore that should give us 360 minus 240. And what's 360 minus 240? So that should give us exactly 120 degrees. So therefore the measurement of arc PR is equal to 120 degrees. This arc here is 120 degrees. And since we want to find the value of x, that's just going to be half. The measurement of angle x is just going to be half the measurement of arc PR. So we have arc PR all over 2, PR all over 2, which is 120 divided by 2, which is equal to 60 degrees. There we go. So therefore the measurement of arc x, so that's just 60 degrees. Okay, there you go. Now if this is 60 degrees, okay, now yes, if this is 60 degrees and the measurement of, that's going to be the measurement of arc x, therefore the measurement of arc PR again is going to be 120 degrees. Now let's try to add all of these angles that we have here. So we have 120, yeah, so we have 120 degrees plus 140 degrees, so that should give us 260 degrees. So therefore the measurement of arc PRC is 260 degrees, and we have the measurement of arc Y here, so that's arc PQ, which is 100 degrees. In order to solve for the measurement of angle Y, an angle between two secants, so we're going to use the formula for angle between two secants. And what is that formula? Let's try to write it here. So the measurement of angle Y, okay, so the measurement of angle Y, okay, so let's try to write that again. So the measurement of angle Y, the measurement of angle Y is just going to be 1/2 the measurement of arc, the major arc PRC, minus the minor arc Y for this one. And this is going to give us 1/2 of 260 minus 100. Okay. And that should give us 1/2. 1/2 of 260 minus 100 is just 160. And therefore the measurement of arc Y is just 80 degrees. Therefore, the measurement of arc Y for our first problem is just 80 degrees. And we were able to solve it using angles between two secants and also uninscribed angles. Let's try the second problem. For the second problem, let's try to use a different color. Let's try blue. Okay, let's jump right ahead. Now, angle AOB is a central angle. If this is a central angle and we have here arc AB, or intercepted arc, so therefore the measurement of this arc should be 80 degrees. And we have here two chords, PA and CB. Now, PA and CB have equal distances from each other just by looking at their radii or their radius. So if this is 85 degrees, therefore this should be 85 degrees. Okay, and if this 85, this 85, and this 80, we can solve for the measurement of arc PC. So the measurement of arc PC is just 360, the measurement of the total arc measurement of the circle, minus 85 plus 85 plus 80 degrees. And this should give us 360 minus 170 plus 80. So it's 170 plus 80. So that should give us, if I'm not mistaken, 250. There we go. 360 minus 250. And therefore the measurement of arc PC is just equal to 110 degrees. So if the measurement of this arc is 110 degrees, what's going to be the measurement of angle X? The measurement of angle X, or arc X, the measurement of angle X, that's an angle, is equal to half the measurement of arc PC. There you go. And that should just give us the measurement of angle X, which is 110 divided by 2, which is just 55 degrees. There you go. So therefore the measurement of this angle, so that's just 55 degrees. Now if that's 55 degrees and this is 110, okay, so let's try to add some secants here in order to solve our problem. So we have here arc PC, which measures 110 degrees, and we have here arc CB, which measures 85 degrees. If we add these two arcs, we will get the measurement of arc PCB. Okay, and the measurement of arc PCB, so that's just equal to 110 plus 85, and the measurement of arc PCB is just 195 degrees. We can use this concept or this idea to solve for the measurement of angle Y using the formula for angles between two secants. And that's going to give us the measurement of angle Y is equal to 1/2 of the measurement of arc PCB minus the measurement of arc PA, or 85 degrees here. So this is going to give us the measurement of angle Y is equal to 1/2 the measurement of PCB. Yeah, again, so this from here to here, so that's why we only included PCB. We did not include 80 because it's not part of this secant construction for our second problem. So this is gonna be 195 minus 85, and this is gonna give us 1/2 of 110. And what's 1/2 of 110? So that's just 110 divided by 2, and therefore the measurement of angle Y is just 55 degrees. There we go. For our second problem, the measurement of angle X is just 55 degrees, and the measurement of angle Y is just 55 degrees as well. And that's how we solved our problem for chords, secants, and tangents, the final video.